Dr. Purcell. All right. So this is my, what is this even called? What is it called?
Reading.
My reading apprenticeship. That's what it's called. Okay, great. Lindsay is helping me make this video, and this is my friend Hiba, who's also helping me make this video. So I'm conducting an experiment right now to see if I truly read better in Spanish or in English. My hypothesis right now is that I read better in English than I do in Spanish, so we're going to test this out. So what I'm having Hiba do here is count the words of a paragraph that I've never read before to tell me how many words there are, and then I'm going to have her do the same thing in my Spanish book. Okay, so this is the paragraph. Where's the paragraph?
There are 107 words.
Okay, so where's the pencil? Okay. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Just this paragraph right here, count these words and tell me how many words there are. Okay, so while she does that, so the way the experiment is going to work is that I'm only going to read they're going to be the same amount of, it's going to be the same word count, just to truly test this hypothesis. So I need to know how many words are in both paragraphs before I actually start reading them. So she's going to count, and then I'm going to time myself while I do this reading to see which one is actually better, and I'm going to read them both out loud.
This is very scientific.
Oh, thanks, Lindsay. It's my stopwatch.
Okay.
And then the first reading that I'm doing is from Jim Burke's What's the Big Idea? Question-driven units to motivate reading, writing, and thinking. So that's the first one, and this one was published in...
They're supposed to be the same amount.
Yeah, how many words is that one?
107.
Did you stop at 107?
Yeah.
Oh, so are they both 107? Sweet.
Yep.
Great. So she got it. Awesome. This one was published in 2010 by Jim Burke. And then this one is called Latinoamérica, su civilización y su cultura by Eugenio Chang Rodriguez. This is a book. And then this one was published in 2008. Great. Okay, so they're both 107 words. So I'm going to start with the one in English first. We're going to see how long it takes me to read this. Go. Great. Questions are the Swiss Army knife of an active, disciplined mind trying to understand texts or concepts and communicate that understanding to others. Some questions, like the biggest knife blade, do most of the work. Other questions, similar to the corkscrew or leather punch, are more specialized, used only on rare occasions but essential when needed. It would be nice if we could just give each student such a set of cognitive tools and send them into the world. The truth, however, is that they need not only the questions themselves, but the knowledge of which ones to ask and how and when to ask them. Okay, so that was it, and that was 32 seconds. Great. Can I borrow your pencil again? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to write it in the book. It's fine. Okay. And I understood that one, so basically what this reading is saying is that we have to understand when to ask questions, and that's how they're useful. That's like a really rough summary, but alright, let's see if I can read as quickly and also comprehend the material in Spanish. Okay, do you want to hit the timer when I start reading?
Yep.
Okay.
And go.
A mediados del siglo XXIII, la política liberal de los Borbones comenzó a producir efectos en el Nuevo Mundo, a influir en la manera de pensar y promover el interés en la experimentación, en el método deductivo y en la ciencia en general. Se crearon sociedades de intelectuales como la Asociación Filarmónica de Lima, transformada después en la Sociedad Amantes del País, editora del Mercurio Taurino. En La Habana se organizó la Real Sociedad Económica y la Sociedad Patriótica de Investigaciones. En otras ciudades se establecieron importantes sociedades que congregaban a los más destacados científicos y letrados de la época. Okay.
Okay, that was 54 seconds.
Okay. Can I have your pencil again?
It's right there.
Oh, great. Okay, so it obviously took me, what's the math? How do we do math?
Almost double.
It almost double, we're going to say, to read in Spanish the same word count as it did in English, and they're both textbooks. So what that's telling me is that I obviously have a higher stamina in reading in English than I do in Spanish. But also, without knowing the context of either one, I feel like I understood the English one better than I did the Spanish one, because I think the Spanish one is talking about the history of literacy in Spanish, in like Latin America, but I don't understand what the societies are called. But I understood the idea of questions in this one. So that is my examination of this. Obviously, I read better in English than I do in Spanish. Yeah.